Hello friends, welcome to Being Expert channel. In this video, we are going to see a basic in Scratch Studio in 2D animation. We are going to see that. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, you can go into your website like Microsoft. If you are using Microsoft Edge, go to that website, or if you are using Google, you can go there and type in the search web as Scratch, and there will be an first Scratch Imagine Program Share. So click that, and I have already signed in. So here is the sign in option. So I have signed in, and now click create option. So this is same for Google and Google also. So it's loading. So the appearance will be this. So now I will explain which is the place to create. So this is the place. It's called Sprite, and here we will be seeing what and all. Here we will do the workspace. The action will be taken place here. So the letters, the backdrops, and the people here is Sprite. We can also name it. So, and this is the workspace. We can use they have given code blocks method, so it is very easy for beginners to learn this. And here is code costume, and so here is costume, and you can change the costume of this. So, and here is the sound. If you need to add any sounds to this, you can add. So here is the motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. And so now let's do a simple exercise in this. And also, if you click this cat looking option, you get various options like search, choose a sprite, and paint it. Paint is an option that you can create your own sprite. So this is a good option. And surprise option, and upload any sprites from your computer. And here is backdrop. So here also same. So we can choose the backdrop from this Scratch itself, or we can paint it, or surprise, or upload it from your computer. So now I don't need this cat, and I am going to delete this. And so there are various animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, and etc. So now I am going to click animals, and I am going to keep as so I am going to choose fish. So fish. So here, so I am clicking this fish. Okay. So I am going to add backdrop to this. So backdrop is underwater. So I am going to have this underwater here. And another is, you can name the sprite here, and the place where the sprite is called the X and Y. So X is the breadth, and size, you can change the size for this. 70, and it will become smaller. 200, it will become bigger. So like this you can change the sprite too. And direction, so you can also turn it to any direction, and you can turn it into ulta too, and so like this, so various types. So now, and we can also add many fishes. So click costumes, and there are many fishes here. So which fish we can add it. So I am having this fish currently, and I am going to keep this moving here and coming back. So first we should choose go into events and click when flag is clicked. So when this flag is clicked, it started to move. So and we should go to motion and click glide. So glide option 3 seconds, and where to go, you can see this here, and I need to go here. So x is equal to 206 and y is equal to minus 122. So now okay, so it will go now. So can we click start? Okay, it's started. So see here, it goes there, but it does not come. I need to I thought the fish should come here, so for that we should do now we should change here. So when I click here, it goes here and it does not come. For that we have a solution here, turn. So turn this side, right side, that degrees you should change it as 180 degrees. So now and again go glide, and here is the correct position we want. So minus 245 and minus 134. So these directions are here, x and y. So you can see that and do it. So now I am starting and it is going and coming back. So here seconds I should change as 3. So now it will go medium speed. So now see. So now it goes. I need to go forward, still I click stop position. So for that you should click turn left side and do it as 180 degree. So now we will check and see how it is rotating. Okay, it should go, and we can just duplicate it, and I don't want this. Okay, now I have duplicated it. So now let's test it. So if somebody had if the fish going here and coming as top and bottom, you can go direction and click the right left option. So this is left right option. So you can click that and it will be straight. If anyone got that problem. So now I'm starting, it's going and coming back. And it's turning and going back. Okay, now it is done. But I need it forever. So for that I am going to go to control and click forever. So put it here. So now forever, many of them know, I think. So if you start it till you stop, the fish moves like this, rotates in the same position. Let's go. So I think that you have seen it, so I am stopping. So we have made it. So I think that fish is swimming alone, so it's feeling lonely. So we will add a friend to this. So to add another fish to this, same like that, click cat looking option and search for fish. So I am clicking this. So go to costume and change which fish you want. I want this fish, so I am keeping it. So I want this fish to come from this side, so opposite direction. So for this, click the sprite and go to direction and click left right option. So change it to this side 90 degree. Okay, it is stood. So now I am going to keep it here, this side. Okay, same like this, how you did, we should do for this one. So okay friends, now I have coded for this fish too, same like the sprite one fish. So now let's see how it is going. So yes, it is going nice. and if the friends are there, there will be a conversation between them. So we are going to add a conversation between these two fishes. So for that you should go to now we are going to say hello to this fish, and this fish should say hello to the another one. So for that go to looks option and click say hello for 2 seconds, and you can change the seconds, but 2 seconds is okay for me. And you should go to for control and give wait for 1 second. So wait is for so if this fish 1 says hello and the fish 2 says hello, it should wait. So for that, and so that's it. So we should go to fish 2 and same like that, but we should do an opposite. So for this we should give wait. So we are giving 2 seconds for this, wait 2 seconds, and after go looks and say hello. Okay, now let's test it. So yes, it says hello, and it says hello, and it started to move. So yes, so this is the basic which we have made in this part 1. So part 2 is about something extra in this feature. So thank you for watching. Please try this and say in comment box, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye. See you in next video.